Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today it's just going to be over next couple of days. I'll be just doing some little bits here and there, just tidying up my VW up. You've got Malfoon over there. So basically, yeah, I'll be just tidying up little bits here and there. The MOT is coming up in next month, so I'm a month early, but there's a few things, as you'll see in the video coming up, there's a few things that need doing, and it's tires, the washer pump not working, just little bits here and there. The fuel flap's not there. I know the fuel cap is a MOT failure, but I'm not sure about flaps, so we're sorting that out. Giving it a clean. Yeah, first of all, it is dirty. Yeah, basically I'm filming this intro a couple of days later now, probably a week or so later now, so I forgot what we've done. But we've done just a little few things. We've done a new clutch, we've done the brakes, we've done a service, we've just done a nice little overhaul. It's had a new battery as well. What else have we done? We've just done a few things, tidying up here and there. And then, yeah, if you watch on the video, you'll see what we've done to prep it for the MOT, and then we'll see how it... What size is that?
30. Has to be a 12-sided.
Chop, I ain't got all day. What's that, 3 bolts for the ball joint? So here's the new drive shaft we've got. Where did we pick it up from? Telford, like Shrewsbury area. Yeah, here's the replacement drive shaft. That one we're just gonna hit it out, and then hopefully once we pop the ball joint down, the lower arm, it should give us enough room to basically pull it out.
Let's push through. Taking off that bolt from the lower arm.
The thing is, we want to push that through with the hammer, bang that through first, and then disconnect that. Otherwise,
now it should.
Yeah, it should just push through now. There you go.
That is.
Pop through. So the shaft's out.
No, it's gonna. It is hooked out of it.
So just pull it through.
Wait. Alright, pull it through.
Move the hammer.
Pull it through then, what are you doing?
I'm watching. I'm just watching your pour. Fucking without damaging the threads and everything.
Yeah, that's solid. Wait.
Right, it pushes back into this, line it up, and then in reverse, put the bottom ball joint bolts back in, and then the hub nut and the wheel back on, and drop the car, and happy days. Come on, Mike, 2-minute job. Are you struggling?
Yes, I am.
Hurry up, it's taking too long.
How'd you do it?
I'll be bo. So now, this...
There's a spider where your hand is.
Oh, don't care about little wee. It just clips out. Use your hand to just... No, Pugger, not the bottleneck. You might have to... Or get a screwdriver to, like, push it in. Basically, this somehow. Maybe you do that. You do something and then it somehow comes out. Pugger, without damaging the paint. Use a fatter screwdriver, yeah. And then you just got to do that, and then it bends onto itself. Oh. You got short in your fuel tank, mate. Bugger, what are you doing? So that's the old one. Basically, my one snapped in it. So, where's the hose gone? Is that it? This is, I think, the hose, which is clogged up with rubbish. Wait, where's the fuel cap? Let's quickly close this.
Close it for what reason?
And then just like, if there's any dust. See all that short? What would have otherwise gone into your nappy? So you can actually weld this, look. Oh, can you hear that? Don't pop it, that's a bubble. That's all rust underneath. All that paint will flake off. Can you hear that? All that, no. So even all that bubbling there, you can, the paint is blistered. But anyway, cool. This now comes off. And then just put it in the same way, so that corner jobby goes there first. Yeah, and then just push it in.
Hey, it's not just to push it in, you have to line it up.
Yeah, see? Just push it in. No rocket science, mate. But then this...
Mate, I thought you just lead straight through the floor.
Unless this... This you have to pull it through and push it in. Yeah, I think it goes like this. It's supposed to go in one of the places up there. And there you go. That's all done. That closes. That's it. That's plugged back in there. Cap's in. That's all pushed in. Bosh. Where's the rest of it? Because this one's managed to split into loads of different pieces. So it's stuck. So that has a bit of glass. This one just presses into place.
No. There you go.
Yeah. Anyway, so that's that done. And let's see what else we can do today. We've got a sloppy mirror. How did we take it out last time? Just from this bottom corner. Yeah, we took it out and then redone it. Because look, it's unglued from the backing plate. There's a mirror, but the glue's come off from the backing plate, so this just pulls out. So that just unclips. And then you've got two here, so red, the earth is on that side, that's probably the power. And it's probably not even that together. Oh, this is not coming off. So that's that one. And that one. So basically, the glue had come off and I had taped it on like that, just to hold it on. It looked a bit stupid. We've got a new one off Amazon. Here's the new glass. And then, what we're going to do is put brown back on top. And then the thingy on this one. And then, in theory, it should just press in then. Yeah, there you go. So let's quickly try the electric mirrors. I'll put the ignition on. And then on this side we'll go to the left. That's to the left. Yeah, there you go, it's working. Cool. Happy days. Alright, that's that done.
Hurry up.
I don't know how to. Just get an axe and chop it off. Come on. Come on. Put your back into it, lad. Come on. Come on.
Even those black wheels that you had that you sold in the MX-5, flipping out. Those were in mint condition. They went to you.
Oh well.
Not oh well, you just don't know how to drive.
Doodly doodly. So next on the list we've got is the windscreen washer pump. There's just a couple of bolts here, screws that we got to undo. I don't know if we need to do all of them.
No.
But it'd just be that one, this one, and then this one, and then you can move. No, I think that'll give us enough space, and then we might only need just these two, because then you just put this new pump into place. Got the second hand off a breaker.
Free.
Free! Yeah, well, you're not meant to tell them that much. I just try that. Is there enough space? Where is that?
Not really.
Is there? Oh, it is. It is. I've just got that white housing on it. So basically,
Do you know what you do?
yes, I just need to pull out there. So that water stinks. It's not been used in what, a year? That stinks. That stinks. Here, hold this with one hand. Yo, that stinks. That's why I bought the other flavoured one. So all you want to do is these tabs push back. So it was like that. These tabs come down, and then this will come off. That will come out. That will come off. And then that's just that. And that's the original one that came on the car. This is the replacement second-hand one. This one looks newer and slightly nicer as well. Hopefully it works. Yeah, it stinks in it. Basically just push these back. So when it's on the car you just need to push these back, pull those off. And then the clip socket goes on as well. There you go, that's that one. And then in theory it should just slot in. Might be. There you go. So it just sits inside. That's on. That thing's come back off. No, because it wasn't straight there. So that's on. That's on. The pump's in. The connector's on. And now let's go test it.
Go put water in it.
No, as long as the pump moves, you'll hear it.
No. Check your fuses.
Basically, there's a cover here with the fuses. I don't know which one it is, so we'll have a quick look on the diagrams and see. I've had a look at the fuse diagram, and then it reckons the top one. Well, I'll pull it out and then see if it's got any issues. It's got marks on it, but I don't think that's blown. Can you see that? See? I don't think it's blown. So basically, these are the tires that came off the car. Obviously, you can see they're quite cracked up and they're old and 2014 dated. So the car's 2012. So it's had these cars on basically for the first MOT and since. And yeah, they're definitely not going to pass the next MOT, so we've got to sort that out. They might, by advisories, but there's so many cracks in them that it's better to just replace them. I was going to put these ones on, but again, tread-wise, they're hardly better. They're legal. You can see they're legal. But yeah, what we're going to do, we're going to put these ones on. And these ones have got brand new tyres. So you can see there. And there as well. So we're putting those on. One's already on the car. So that's what it looks like. You can see brand new tyres as well. And then we're just starting on the back now. It's still too high, but that's not bad. That looks alright. Not too bad. I like that.
Where's the key?
We're on the last part of the MOT prep now. We're just going to put on the other wheels for the tyres, because obviously these tyres are shot as well. It's just barely legal, this one. What? Red black doggy. Hello.
Where did that come from? Hello. Bro, that just came out of nowhere. It's missing half a leg. I know, sir.
Modified.
Hello, monkey.
Not really bad, but not really legal. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, not too bad.
Not really bad.
Sweet stuff. Because of that retro.
Guys, there's some things we didn't get to finish today, but yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Check out my other videos as well, and yeah, we hope to see you in the next one.
Mine needs